Okay, we will start our session. Okay, all of you see the screen? Is it visible? Okay, we will start our session. All of you speak up. Yes, we will start our session. Yes or no? Well, wait for 5 minutes. Two others are joining. Yes, tell me fast. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we will start our session.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, we will start our next point, string handling. Okay, all of you do it to your own practice. Okay, we will having less time. That's why we will not go for practical. We will go for theory detection. Okay, detect. Only practice your own and send me the screenshot. If it is correct, I will tell you, and if it is wrong, I will correct you. Okay. Yes, all of you understood? Yes? Yes or no? Okay. String handling. In this string handling, surrounding either a single quotation or double quotation. All of you know about string. Yes? It is a collection of character. You write it single quote. It is also correct. Double quote. It is also correct. Okay. Next one, what can be done in string handling? What is the operation? Main operation: create string, indexing, slicing, apply built-in method. Vaishnavi, tell me the indexing, slicing. Okay, you can apply string also. Okay, yes, all of you understood? Yes. तुम्ही लिस्ट टपलला ते स्ट्रिंग ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म केलेले इंडेक्सिंग स्लाइसिंग you can apply it same in string. Okay, create string, indexing, slicing, apply built-in method. Okay, you can write it single code. It is also correct. How to use string in Python? Okay, you can write it single code in string and double code also you can write it string. Okay, and multi-line also you write it string. Okay, take it screenshot of it. Double quote, single quote, double quote, and multi-line means triple quote. Okay, next one, updating string. मला पायथॉन अपडेट करायची मला ऍड करायची स्ट्रिंग तर मी काय करणार a इज इक्वल टू हॅलो वर प्रिंट प्रिंट अपडेट स्ट्रिंग a स्लाइसिंग 6. मला कोणत्या इंडेक्सिंगला इन्सर्ट करायची स्ट्रिंग 6. म्हणजे तुम्ही ऍड करणार कोणती स्ट्रिंग ऍड करणार पायथॉन. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन, इंडेक्सिंग स्लाइसिंग. तर तुम्हाला काही कळत नसेल ना मला सांगा. ओके, स्ट्रिंग स्लाइसिंग a is equal to hello python. Okay, suppose I want to access the element of the string. Okay, then you can print index a array 1. array 1 प्रिंट केल्यानंतर कोणती इंडेक्स एलिमेंट प्रिंट होणार? येस, यू टेल मी. तर मी 1 प्रिंट केले a ऑफ 1, देन मला कोणती इंडेक्सिंग व्हॅल्यू प्रिंट होणार? येस, ऑल ऑफ यू स्पीक अप. only E value should be print. Wait for a minute. Means only E value should be print. Means 0 index you can print it H. Okay. And then accessing the between element. मला L पासून ते O पर्यंतच प्रिंट करायचं आहे N पर्यंत. तर मी कोणती इंडेक्स बिटवीन मला इंडेक्स बिटवीन ची व्हॅल्यू प्रिंट करायची म्हणजे LL O पासून पुढची सगळी प्रिंट करायची. तर मी काय करणार तिथे राईट काय करणार A of index 1:6 समजलं. आणि if you write it last value, I want to print last value of the string. Means you can write it here, print index till -1. -1 you can write it and print it last value n. Okay, all of you understood? Take it screenshot of it. Next one, they are having string having built-in method. Capitalize, case fold, center, count. Okay, capitalize method converts the first character to uppercase. Only first character तुमचं uppercase मध्ये print होणार. Okay, and case fold means convert the uppercase letter to a lowercase letter. Okay, and center, your string should be center side. Okay, and count means your string how much character you should be printed. Okay, next one, join, strip, rstrip, find, split, and translate. All of you know about this operation? Yes. तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना हे ऑपरेशन माहिती आहेत का? Yes. Yes or no? अरे बोला रे, काल तर एकदम मस्त बोलत होता. All of you speak it up. Please speak up. Sorry for unuseful words. I use it right now. Okay. All of you do it program. If you're having any problem, then tell me. Okay. Then next, join. Yes. Write a program, convert the string hello Python to uppercase. Okay. And Python, you write it hello program to lowercase. Okay. All of you take it screenshot of it and do it your own. Okay. Then we will go for exception handling. Okay. Yes, a very much important point. It is our small point in our second unit. Exception handling. Where is exception? Okay. All of you, we are going to our next point. Oh, yes. I will send you all notes, all PPTs in your group. Okay. Only ESL 3 group. All of you see my screen? Is it visible? Yes. Okay, wait for a minute. Wait for a minute. Right now, screen is visible. Our second main point. Okay, file handling in Python. Okay. Sorry, we will go for next point, file handling in Python. Okay, you can write it, read it in file, close it file. It is a main operation, common operation. For example, natural. Natural means day to day life. Okay, तुमची document file. Yes, yes. For example, your document 10, 12, FE, SC, TB. ओके, हे सगळे डॉक्युमेंट तुम्ही एका फाईल मध्ये यूज करता. येस, म्हणजे तुम्ही एका फाईल मध्ये स्टोअर करता. त्याला तुम्ही यूज करताना ओपन क्लोज, ओपन क्लोज. येस, एम आय करेक्ट? येस, येस. Okay, in file is a disk to store related information, means your data. Okay, for example, in your PC they are having the document. Okay, document disk, document file. Yes, if you write it any file, store it in your document. Okay, hard disk in your C, D, E folder. Okay, in your hard disk memory, any want to store any data, store it in C, D, E folder. Okay, mainly main operation in file handling, it is our reading, writing to your file. Okay, main file operation, open a file, read a file and write the file and close it to your file. Okay, next continue. They are having the 4 parameter, means mode. Read mode, it is your default. Okay, A means append, write means open for writing purpose. Okay, and next one, create, specify the file. Okay, create the file, new file. Okay, next one, they are having 2 mode, text mode and binary mode. Okay, syntax of open the file. To open a file for reading it enough to specify by name of the value. Okay, write this, take a screenshot of it and try it yourself. Okay, first of all, create a test document. Okay, I will tell you this step by step to how to run this program. Okay, and all of you, it is compulsory to send me the screenshot of your file handling program. Main point of file handling program. मला फाईल हँडलिंग प्रोग्रामचा स्क्रीनशॉट सगळ्यांनी पाठवायचा. इट इज कंपल्सरी. ओके, फर्स्ट क्रिएट द टेस्ट डॉक्युमेंट. ओके, write it any name. Okay, I will take the name of demo 1. You take the, for example, sample txt, anything, and you write it welcome, and only print Python, you write it f is equal to open and whatever your sample.txt comma read, r operation, and read it your file. Whatever you write it even in your test, it should be printed. Okay, all of you got it? What is the first step? Yes? Yes, anyone having any doubt? Yes? I'm wait for 2 minutes. If you are having no doubt, we will move forward next point. Yes? Take it screenshot. First step, create the test document. Okay, first create करायचा टेस्ट डॉक्युमेंट. त्यामध्ये तुम्ही हॅलो वर्ल्ड किंवा वेलकम टू स्वेरी कॅम्पस यू राईट इट धिस and save it sample.test. Okay, and then Python, go to your Python ideally and write it f is equal to open sample.test. Okay, सगळ्यांना समजलं का? कृष्णा, वैष्णवी, yes, all of you got it? What is our first step? Rohini, Aishwarya, 14 roll number A40, Samruddhi, Meenakshi. Yes, all of you got it? The idea? Yes? Please pick up. Okay. Then we will move forward our next point. Next point, file close. Okay. You write it only one step, f.close. Okay. Then write and create a file. Okay. Append, write. Okay. Next one, you take it the screenshot of it. Okay, all of you take it screenshot. आता याच्यामध्ये सेपरेट आपला टेस्ट डॉक्युमेंट क्रिएट करायचा नाहीये. समजलं? आता लक्षात घ्या, मी आता एक व्हेरी मच इम्पॉर्टंट पॉइंट सांगते आहे. ओके, तुम्हाला इथे टेस्ट डॉक्युमेंट क्रिएट करायचा नाहीये डेस्कटॉप मध्ये. फक्त आता तुम्हाला f इज इक्वल टू ओपन डेमो 2, 3, 4 काय आहे ते. ओके, सॅम्पल तुम्ही न्यू क्रिएट करणार आहे. राईट करणार आहे म्हणजे तुम्ही न्यू क्रिएट करणार आहे ना. मग तुम्ही राईट करायचं कोणतीही एक एक्झाम्पल, ते सॅम्पल डॉट टेस्ट यूज करायचं नाही, सेपरेट एक फाईल करायची, इथेच करायची ती. ओके, डेमो 1 डॉट टेस्ट कॉमा राईट. ओके, आणि राईट करायचं, काय राईट करायचं, नाव आय एम व्हेरी गुड. ओके, येस, ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड? Write it into chat, no problem. Okay.